Welcome to Sitaram Beach Retreat, an NABH accredited Ayurvedic hospital. Even though we call this a hospital, but this is a place where you come and relax and connect with the nature and your inner self and do the Ayurveda treatments that will transform you and bring in a lot of vitality in you. And at the same time, get into healthy habits, healthy routines, and eat healthy. Because all of this put together is what makes your life beautiful and healthy.
Marina. I'm from Germany. Actually, I was like 4 years ago. I was already here for once, but only for like 10 days. And back then, I read it on a yoga blog, a German yoga blog, telling about Ayurvedic places in the world. So I read about that, and I wanted to stay somewhere in India doing Ayurveda. So that's how I know it. Back then it was just like I was on a wedding north in India, and then I wanted to spend some time off, just holidays. Like I didn't expect anything. This time I was coming like for a longer trip and for really like treatments. Like I was really stressed out from work, so I really wanted to come back and relax and do nothing. It's such a beautiful place with such a great nature, all the birds singing, the sea. And of course, like the treatments and the doctors, the food, like everything is perfect. You don't need to care about anything, so you're just here to be.
Now, some people tell me after they come here that the rooms here look like honeymoon cottages, and how do you call this a hospital when the rooms are looking like that? Actually, the reason is once we took over this land, and I went and met a very good architect who is very sensitive to the energy of the place, and he designs the place according to the energy of that land. And I told him I want a room where people can really relax and let go of their problems back home. And that room should be spacious and they feel the energy itself is healing for them. And he designed a room and it turned out to be like a honeymoon cottage. But he says that honeymoon cottage is what? You want to feel free, you want to feel connected. And this is actually a honeymoon with your own self. And that is why our rooms are so fantastic. This is not just a place for Ayurveda treatment or you can connect with nature. Along with that, you're having a setting where it becomes so easy to get into healthy routine. Now, many people say, I feel stuck in my life. I'm not able to get into healthy habits. So once they come and spend 2 weeks, just by following this routine, the food is given to you on time. And the food we give is very healthy, and we don't provide buffets because there is a research. When you go to a buffet, the possibility of you eating more and eating unhealthy combinations also is very high. So, and also we want you to sit down and enjoy the meal and connect with the food, because food is the real medicine. Most of the people are suffering today because of the unhealthy food that they are consuming, just for that instant gratification. And gastronomic pleasures or entertainment is one of the greatest way to distract from our own pain. And healthy food and tasty food, it is possible to blend that. People think that tasty food cannot be healthy. And our duty in this place, in our restaurant, is to make sure that we give you as healthy as possible and as tasty as possible. And the concept of our food, we try to take it from the farm to your plate and to your gut as soon as possible. And all the food that we produce here and also to cook here is as close to nature as possible. We eliminate most of the artificial elements as possible, and we try to bring in as much of plant-based cooking and as much of plant-based menu into your cuisine. Now that, along with the panchakarma, along with the routine, along with the connection with the nature, and along with that time out that you have from your daily life, all of this is what makes you renewed. So this whole setting is a playground for you to experience what it means to live healthy. It could be for 3 days. Come and stay here for 3 days and experience this. You will have the Ayurvedic treatments and you will get to experience the routine here. And we also have a temple here. The reason why we have a temple is, see, we are not someone who is just connected physically. There is also a ethereal aspect, something which is beyond our logic. And that connection also has a lot of influence in our healing. So this whole setting is what we call it as holistic integrative healing. And that is what Sitaram Beach Retreat is all about. Prayer is one of the ways to improve our energies, improve and bring upon our higher self. See, it's like a ritual. And if you see the meaning of the word ritual, it means anything that you do that can change your patterns. We are becoming a new self by doing that ritual. Same way, that prayer, when we are chanting that, let my energy be in service of this healing of this person, it's just a mental belief that will help us to reach a higher state, because of which our ability to heal is much better. Now, treatments in Ayurveda are actually two types. One is called as Shamana and one is called as Shodhana. Shodhana word means a deep, intensive purification of yourself. And the word Shamana means it's a relaxed way of purifying yourself. So, many people just need Shodhana, intensive purification. Some people just need a relaxed way of cleansing. And most of the people that come here, they need a blend of both. So intensive purification is required for people who live in unhealthy lifestyle. If they have tendencies of overweight, their weight gain is very quick, or if they have unhealthy eating habits. For such people, an intensive purification is necessary according to Ayurveda. And if their problems are because of their mental stress and associated with sleeping problems and their emotional well-being is not balanced, in such people, a relaxed way of treatments are very important. So in most people, we do a blend of both. On one hand, we have to relax the nervous system. On the other hand, we have to detox the system. And along with this, when you train that person to live in a healthy routine with healthy habits, getting up on time, eating on time, doing yoga and meditation, and along with that, you connect with the nature, and your distraction with unhealthy stuff like television or too much of social media, once all these things are gone, your ability to heal just becomes effortless. So we are just putting that foundation where healing becomes an effortless process. Along with the Ayurveda treatments, yoga is also one part of the therapy that we integrate here. And yoga means it's not just the exercise, it is the ability to connect with your body, to bring mindfulness, and also we bring a lot of emphasis to deep breathing or pranayama. Because breathing is our life. And today, if you see somebody who's stressed, he breathes very fast. Like, if you see how a dog breathes, it's very quick. And if you see how a tortoise breathes, it's very slow. And that slowness is what is adding to its longevity of a tortoise, which can live up to 150 years. And whereas a dog, the longevity is less than 15 years. The same with us humans. Depending on our emotions, our breathing is also impacted, and depending on how we train ourselves to breathe, our emotions are also impacted. So deep breathing, pranayama exercises, and with yoga, all of this is a very important part of our holistic healing that we do here. So many people ask me, Dr. Vignesh, this is a hospital. So should I come here only if I'm sick or have some ailments? I tell them, you come here because you don't want to fall sick in future. You come here because you want to maintain your vitality. You want to live long. Some people ask me, if I want to do an Ayurveda Panchakarma treatment, should I come for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks? I tell them, forget about the Panchakarma. Come and experience this Ayurveda treatment just for 2 or 3 days and see how it feels for you in the beginning, and see if you're able to connect with yourself, and see if you're able to change your patterns, and is it making some positive changes in your life. So I would say, come and stay for 2-3 days and feel the experience, and then you can decide. Because how many times we go out for weekend holidays? So instead of going for a holiday where you indulge in unhealthy patterns, try to indulge in something healthy. So try to come for a 2-3 days, experience the treatments, the healthy food, the healthy routine, and connect with nature and with your inner self, and see how this is making a positive impact on you. And then you can decide, should I do an intensive Panchakarma or an Ayurveda treatment in the long run? One of the reasons why we have such a beautiful garden, because garden has a greenery, and that energy helps you to connect with your inner self, helps you to heal better, and also you are able to get grounded because that greenery has a very powerful energy to heal. And also you'll see a lot of butterflies, because butterfly is a great example of transformation. On one hand, you will see the caterpillar, and from the caterpillar, when the caterpillar feels it's going to die, a new butterfly that has wings and that can fly is coming out. And the reason why we have the Sitaram Beach retreat, it is making you from a caterpillar to a butterfly. And that's what this place is all about.